Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Threads and Instagram app. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna need to open up your Instagram. Okay, and once you open up your Instagram, you need to go into your profile, and then you need to tap on the three lines at the top right, and then tap on Threads, which is the second option here, and now tap on get threads here. Okay, and it will basically open up the threads option for you. Okay, so we will just go back here basically, and here you can see that we have in our threads application. Okay, so it will take all of your from the app, and here you can see that we have our threads app set up here. Okay, so that's how you can basically use the threads application. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.